Today I'm going to show you how to download Twitter videos. For this I'm going to open my Chrome browser. After opening my Chrome browser, I will search for here Twitter. Then I will open the first link. After opening this link, as you can see, my account is already logged in. Here, let's suppose I want to download the very first video that is showing here. For this, I'm going to click this share icon here. After this, it will show this drop down menu, and from this menu I will select the copy link to tweet option here. This link will be copied to my clipboard. Now I will open a new tab here. After that, I will search a website named SaveFromNet. The website looks like that, and after that you have to just paste your link or URL here. I am going to paste my URL. After pasting that URL, it will show the exact video that I want to download. You can download your desired video in any format by clicking on this drop down menu. Currently I am selecting MP4 942 resolution. After that you can play or preview your video here. Now you have to just click on these three dots here. As you can see, it is showing the message download, and you have to press this download icon here. After pressing this download icon, you can see my download has been started. It will take few time. Now as you can see, it is showing that my video has been downloaded. I will open it to show you that my video has been downloaded. Now you can play and watch your video, and that's how you can download your Twitter videos.